Do you recognize any of those men?
They were wearing masks half of the time. So there's no way I can say hilo or hilo. And none of those guys had dreadlocks. Mhlambe bagundile, some of them have gained weight. It's been a while.
Hello everyone, thank you for turning on the blue lights. Now, state witness Mthokozisi Thwala denies Senzo Meyiwa was planning to marry Kelly Khumalo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, during the cross-examination, the defense lawyer for accused number 5, Advocate Zandi Khumalo, raised questions about the testimony of Zandi Khumalo Gumede, who is the sister to Kelly Khumalo. Now, Khumalo Gumede had previously stated in the North Gauteng High Court that Meyiwa's best friend, Tumelo Madlala, was in Gauteng in 2014 because Meyiwa was planning to lobola Kelly Khumalo, who is her sister. Now, however, Thwala, who was present in the Khumalo's house when Meyiwa was shot, firmly denies any knowledge of Meyiwa planning to marry Kelly Khumalo, stating that Meyiwa's wife at the time, Mandisa Meyiwa, was never approached by the footballer himself regarding the idea of taking a second wife. Thwala was confident that he would have known about such plans if they ever existed. He emphasized that while Meyiwa and Khumalo loved each other, the lobola news it's all a lie. Ladies and gentlemen, it seems like the lobola thing is not the only lie that Zandi Khumalo told, because last year in an interview, Zandi Khumalo said the intruders were wearing masks half of the time, so she cannot point at anyone or identify any of the accused. But this year, when she was giving her testimony in court, she pointed at the men that she says pulled the trigger.
Do you recognize any of those men?
They were wearing masks half of the time. So there's no way I can say hilo or hilo. And none of those guys had dreadlocks. Mhlambe bagundile, some of them have gained weight. It's been a while.
Now, Mthokozisi Thwala never mentioned anything about a man wearing masks. According to Mthokozisi Thwala, the man who was carrying a gun had dreadlocks and was wearing a hat similar to the one of Peggy Cele. Now, to be quite honest with you, both the testimonies are shaking for me. I do not believe that there's a man who will plan to go and rob somebody of their cell phones and their monies wearing a tops. Who goes and robs somebody wearing this kind of a hat? Because we know this hat is not tight. You know, it can fall off anytime. So why would you wear something that you know might fall off and leave evidence? You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for now. Do leave your comment down below, letting me know what you think of this. Otherwise, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for listening.